Hey YouTube family, welcome to another video. This video was actually a requested video that I keep forgetting to do, but I wanted to make sure I get it done for you guys today. And it's basically a quick question about my hair. Not sure if you guys know, but my hair is very small and I interlock my hair most of the time, like 95% of the time, but there are times when I also retwist my locks. And one of you guys, one of my subscribers, my supporters, had a question about that, if I could elaborate on that some more. They basically wanted me to talk about how I retwist my hair and I interlock my hair and how I find both experiences. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. Just to give you a quick background, when I started my locks about 6-7 years ago, I started with sister locks, and then over time I combined my locks myself to get the size that I have now. So technically they're not sister locks because I maintain them myself and I do not follow the sister lock grid pattern, but they're still very small micro locks and I maintain them myself. So they're not sister locks, I just call them micro locks. I love my shirt, by the way, lock, love our culture. This is from Essence of Shay. Shout out to you, girl. If you want one of these t-shirts, don't forget to check out her website. I'll leave a link for you guys down below. But back to the video. As far as maintaining my hair, I do interlock like 95% of the time. Most of the time I interlock my hair, and I interlock, to be honest, sometimes every 2 months, maybe 3 months, whenever I feel that my hair needs it. I don't want to overdo it on my hair. I don't mind, like my hair, it's been a few months since I've interlocked and this is how my roots are looking. I don't mind having puffy roots. I don't mind the new growth. I like my hair to stay big and healthy, so I do not over interlock. When I do interlock, the interlocking tools that I do use, I'm trying to get them for you guys. The interlocking tool that I do use is from the company Nappy and Happy, and I'll leave their website somewhere on the screen and below. And I bought the pack that came with 4 different tools, and these are them right here, the different sizes. These are the 2 larger ones and these are the 2 smaller ones. I no longer use the smaller ones. I mostly use the 2 larger ones now because my hair is a little bit bigger. So these are the tools that I use to interlock my hair when I do interlock it. And I do have a few videos, 1 or 2 videos about tips of how I interlock my hair. And I can show you guys how I do interlock my hair. So that's how I do it. And I do it, like I said, every few months whenever I feel the need for it, maybe 2 or 3 months, and I don't overdo it. As far as retwisting my hair, the reason why I retwist my hair is if for some reason I have an event to go to or something immediate comes up and I want to do a specific style, or I just feel like retwisting my hair, then I go ahead and do that, but it's not that often. It is really quite rare. When I do retwist my hair though, because of the size of my locks, I make sure I do not palm roll the entire length of my hair because I do not want to put too much stress and pressure on my locks and then they'll break off. I also don't do many rotations. I'll put the locking cream or the locking gel and do maybe like just 1 rotation, maybe 2 if I'm pushing it, but just 1 quick rotation and just pin it down and keep it moving. I don't do many rotations and I don't do it often, and I do not palm roll the entire length of my locks. I only just do the roots, pin it down and let it dry. And that's the only reason why I retwist my hair, if I feel like it or if I have somewhere to go to and I did not have the time to interlock my hair. As far as which one I prefer, both of them have their advantages. For example, for me to retwist my hair, it's much quicker, only like about an hour or 2. For me to interlock my hair, if I did it in 1 day, it will take the entire day, but I do it in a 2 to 3 day span, so it takes longer. As far as lasting, when I interlock my hair, it lasts longer, so I can work out, I can be active, I can sweat, and it lasts longer. With the retwist, when I retwist my hair, if I work out or I sweat, it just unravels, so it doesn't last as long as interlocking, but it's just faster to do. As far as preference, again, does my hair look different with either one? Well, my hair mostly take the pattern of an interlocking hair. It is not all compacted together as if it was palm rolled its entire lifetime. For example, my locks, some of them tend to, I still have fuzz on some of my locks, but as far as the look of my hair, they still look very uniform down the length of my entire lock. Let me see if I can show you guys. Let's see. It still looks very uniform. There are some where, because of the interlocking, I do have some that are more frizzy than others. Like for example, you can see the frizz right there. That is how my hair looks. So as far as appearance wise, you can tell like where I interlock from where I retwist. You can tell the difference. It all looks as if I interlock my hair because that's what I do mostly. As far as retwisting my locks, if you guys want to know what I use, I don't have any personal product that I use to retwist my locks because I do it so rarely. I never really invested in a product to retwist my locks. So I use my sister's Eco Styler gel that she uses for her hair and her daughter's hair. So I just take this out whenever I need to. It is the Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel with argan oil. It is alcohol free, no flake, no tack, anti-itch for all hair types. Yeah, it works fine for me. I mean, the ingredients are not the cleanest, but I rarely ever use it, maybe 2 to 3 times for the year. So I'm not going to invest in an entire product just for 1 or 2 use. I'm sorry. So that's what I use. It holds my locks pretty well. I don't have buildup from it. I don't flake from it. And it's just pretty good. Like I said, I don't use it that often though, but a lot of people that have locks use it. They love it. They swear by it. And I enjoy it as well. So that is that. Let me see. What other questions might you guys have? I don't know. I don't know. But my hair doesn't look any different because I do both. I just wake up one morning and I might interlock, I might retwist, depending on how I feel. I don't know. So that's that. My hair doesn't look any different. It doesn't feel any different. Do I have an ultimate preference? Ultimately, my preference out of everything, to be honest, is to interlock because it lasts longer. I just love the way it looks. However, it can be very time consuming with all the hair that I have. It just gets to be very time consuming. And when I'm in a rush or where I need to do something very quickly or go somewhere for an event very quickly, I just choose to retwist. So I hope I answered all of your questions. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section. I will try to do another video to answer those for you guys. But hopefully I covered everything. That is all for now. Don't forget to like this video if you like it. And don't forget to check out Essence of Shay with her lock t-shirt line, LOC, Love Our Culture. I got it in black and I also have it in white. And I'm loving this shirt. It feels really smooth, really nice. Anyway, that's all for now, you guys. Make sure you guys are enjoying your journey. Bye.